Swagbucks earnings depend on the tasks available, the time you spend, and which activities you complete, so there is no single weekly amount that every user will make. A weekly review of Swagbucks shows how the platform works, what affects your results, and how to decide whether the time you spend matches the rewards you receive. Swagbucks is a rewards platform where users can complete different activities to earn points. The available options can change, so your results may look different from someone else using the same app. The first thing to check is which earning methods fit your routine. Some users prefer completing surveys, while others may choose different activities available through the platform. The best option depends on what you are comfortable doing and how much time you want to spend. The second factor is consistency. A short session once in a while will usually create a different result compared with regularly checking available tasks and completing the ones that make sense for you. Tracking your own progress makes the biggest difference. Write down the activities you complete, the time you spend, and the rewards you receive. After a few weeks, you can see which options provide the best value for your personal schedule. Another thing to understand is that rewards platforms are built around small activities rather than replacing a regular income source. The goal is to earn rewards from time that you choose to spend on the platform. Before starting any task, check the requirements carefully. Some activities may require specific steps, and understanding those details helps you avoid spending time on tasks that do not match your expectations. A weekly review should also include the redemption process. Make sure you understand how your points convert into available rewards, and what options are offered before you spend more time completing activities. The biggest advantage of Swagbucks is flexibility. You can choose when to use it and which activities to complete. The biggest limitation is that your results depend on availability, your effort, and the choices you make. After testing Swagbucks for a week, the useful question is not whether someone else earned a certain amount. The useful question is whether the rewards you receive are worth the time you personally spend. The key points are that Swagbucks results vary by user, tracking your activity helps measure value, and choosing the right tasks improves your experience. Your next step is to test the platform with a clear time limit, record your results, and decide whether it fits your routine. If this review helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.